my name is Gala. In my video I'm going to share napkin folding with ring in the shape of bunny. In my tutorial I'm going to use clothespin. It makes more simple, especially when you folding for the first time. By folding the corner I making bunny ear, then I make another one and turn them in the same direction. I'm going to secure bunny ears with my pin. By rolling napkin, I'm making head and body for my bunny. Fold in two and place into napkin ring. If we don't have napkin ring, we can use ribbon instead. To create paws for my bunny, I thread left side of napkin into left side of ring and right side of napkin into right side of ring. And now I can remove my pin. Visit my website. I have much more napkin folding techniques on my website than on my YouTube channel. Please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.